Hi everybody, just got back from my crazy fun weekend at Treasured Memories and I came home to some Happy Mail, so I thought I would show it to you. This is the second Pink and Main kit that I got. And I'm not sure if everything in here was quite my style, so I thought I was going to get it, because you do have to get at least 3 months for the subscription. And I love the first one, but then I thought if this isn't quite my thing, I can use it as a prize. So, let's see what's in this one. I don't remember what was in this one, so. Alrighty, so, oh, they always send you a little, sorry, I can't see when it's hot, so my glasses are fogging up. Okay, so it looks like they usually send you a little thing of what's in the kit, so, so this one tells me everything that's in the kit, and it has actually got this cute little card too, which I might keep, but it's going to give you some ideas. So, and it looks like there's a contest too, so, oh no, sorry, I can't even read today. It says content. So yeah, so it says in a time of text, direct messages, and emails, there's just still seems to be something special and personal about receiving something in your mailbox. So yeah, so that's kind of fun. So I like that. And then, like I said, what I really like about these kits is they come with these neat little zippered packages that you can keep. So, all right. Before I open that, I'm just going to look at the paper, because it always has paper here in the bottom of the box. So there's some pink. Oh, this really, that's weird. My colors don't look weird. I'm not sure if I got my lights higher very good today, but it's like look blue on the screen, but it's actually a green. So I wonder if that's because of this. So maybe that's because of the blue reflection. So I don't know, because even this looks red. I got weird colors happening here tonight. Sorry, guys. Because this one's actually a really nice green, and there's a gray. Oh, look, there's a reflective one. Oh, wow. That one, that looks even funkier on the screen than it does in real life. And then just some white, because, you know, I think the idea behind it is to kind of make cards. So they give you some plain white cardstock for making cards. So that's actually really pretty. So that is the paper that comes with this kit. And then, let's see. That's weird. This one doesn't want to... Oh, yeah. This page is a little longer, so it looks like they fold it just a little bit. So I'm going to get this out of the way then so you guys can see what's in the rest of the box. And yeah, I'm not quite sure what's going on with the colors on my screen today, but oh well. Could be because I didn't put out every light on that I normally do. But anyway. Alright, so, oh, there's some sparkle glitter glue. What else have we got in here? I don't know, maybe I will keep this one. I kind of like it. Okay, we've got some, oh, fun little paper clips that look like little envelopes. Ooh, that's pretty. And there's some hearts, glossy hearts in rose gold. Oh, then there's some string. Oh, and then we've got some just little sequiny things. Okay, and then this paper is called Pen Pals, so can't quite open. Oh, let me find my scissors here, because even if I give this away, the person who gets it shouldn't object to it being kind of a little bit open. Oh, here. Sorry, guys. Oh, there we go. I'll just peel that off. Sorry. Yeah, this paper is called Pen Pal. So obviously there's like a letter theme. Well, that page is cute. It's got snails. Snail mail. Haha. Oh, that's actually pretty paper. That's very pretty paper. Oh, and then some gold washi tape. A little pin that says "Long live snail mail." Oh, some envelopes. Oh, and that's a cute die. A die looks like it would make an envelope. Oh, and then the stamp says, what's the stamp set called? I'm not sure what this one's called, but oh, it's got like a little girl with a pen and a mouse putting something in the mail. So that's kind of cute. It's a very cute set. Not really 100% sure it's me, so it could end up being for a prize, but and I didn't think it was going to be a prize, but it's very cute. So I'll make sure I put a link to these guys if you want to buy their stuff, because it's really, really cute. Oh, and then the other thing I came home to, so here, let me show everybody this too. I got one of my swaps. So since I'm showing you video, might as well show you that too. So this is the altered box swap that I did with Brandy from the Renee Bouquets Artist with an Edge. So, I mean, how pretty is this? Like, look at that. That's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Such beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then she gave me a bunch of stuff inside. So, cute little envelope, fold out envelope that I could make something into, or make something of. And then just another little sort of box that I could create something with. These are some chipboard pieces, beautiful board pieces, I think, from Renea. So those are really pretty. Some just little odds and ends. Some little folio cards. Some ribbon. And, oh yeah, this is, I was like, oh, I wanted to break it, but no, I didn't break it. It's, there's a little test tube. Not sure what I'm going to do with the test tube. But then also some little pearls, some tiny, tiny little beads, and some more little rocks. So, thank you, Brandy, for all my stuff. So, hope you guys liked my little show and tell, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.